Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Cherry Collection, or Cerises, square bandeau in the size 55. Now I did get the really awesome long way paper shopping bag. I'm a little bummed because it's a little dirty at the top, but that's okay. And just a reminder, I am unboxing these for friends and family. So while I'm saying like these are not the items that I personally am keeping. So I'm just reviewing some of those things. As always, I just try to show you all of the transparent, like fully how something is going to arrive to you. So it doesn't really matter if I'm keeping it or if it's somebody else's, but just want to be clear on that. I do think the stickers are really cute. I think the stickers of this collection are even a little cuter than the first drop. Maybe I'll do a specific video just on those stickers, like comparing the two. Let me know if that's interesting to you or just kind of like lame. Anyway, we do have the new ribbon with this packaging, but we don't have the box, which is kind of a bummer. So I do know that the packaging is always kind of like a snafu, but we do have this really cool like flowergram box. Ooh, and we do have the new tissue paper. Now you can kind of see like it is a similar vibe. Like you have the white and the silver. And this is a really big tissue paper because the other items that we've seen so far have just been a small version. And is this extra tissue paper? No, this is just standard tissue paper. So that's kind of weird. Maybe they like package them in the back, like already with the tissue paper on there. And then, because this doesn't feel like the most collapsible of boxes. They just added the one on top, I think. Cool. That's how it like clicks in. It's really nice. Okay, let's get into our unboxing. So this scarf, like bandeau, is 100% cotton, I believe. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected in person. Like compared to my hand, it's pretty big. Wow. Alrighty, so this is actually going to be really versatile. I kind of thought that this was going to be very small. It is see-through, it's very delicate, it's very soft. I was not expecting it to be very soft. You do have the Louis Vuitton hit on the bottom, and then you have the cherries repeating just around the border. On the other side, they are reversed and it like is sheer. It definitely is the back side of it. So just keep that in mind. This is not a dual-sided item like the bandeaus, like the silk items. Now you do have this label here. And what I would do is instead of cutting it along here, I would just like take a seam ripper and remove those seams right there so that you can keep this Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami tag on here, but you're not going to have this like fumbling all around. It is really large and just not convenient. So this is the exact item, Care for MNGC Marron, so the brown. Alrighty, so that is our scarf. Let's go ahead and like try it out. So what I would do is like pinch it in the middle, and then we can kind of see how it like, you know, lays and tapers. Of course, like if you do want to get these creases out, maybe just like hang it while you're taking a shower. A lot of folks are going to do it like this and maybe drape that around, you know, the back of their shawl. And you can tie it like this, wear it as like a necklace. You could even like tie this around like an animal, like a dog, for like a little cute cape or something. Or you can put this over your head and wrap it underneath your neck. You can also like recall your 90s bandana days. That's the word that I'm looking for, bandana. And like fold it in like this. But you are gonna lose out on all of those cherries. And then use that as a bandeau, or, you know, wrap this around your purse. You'll see a few of the cherries. There's a lot that you can do here. So yeah, overall, I really like this item like a lot more than I thought I would. I'm getting so much FOMO just like touching and feeling these pieces. I hope that you guys are not feeling that if you're seeing these videos and didn't have intention to buy them. I never want to like influence you to buy something that you didn't want to buy. I just want to give you the transparency so that you can make the best decisions for you. I will say that the piping along the side is like a little uneven, if you can see that. feels like it's pulling a little bit. So just keep in mind, it is a very delicate piece. So I would be careful with this one. Although it is, I believe, the cheapest item from the collection. I think it was $255. Maybe the bandos were $245. So, alrighty, that is all we have for this unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.